If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Please subscribe below. These are pipe cleaner curls. I will be showing another video once I take my curls down, which will be in a few days, and I'll make a video so you can see what the end result is of that. But I just curled my hair, put it up in a little bob style because I don't like them straight. So let's get right to the video. So in the beginning of my video, I just take the time to oil my hair. I use Taliah Waajid Healing Oil, which has been really, really good for my hair. I just want to make sure it's moisturized and that it's not dry and brittle. Then I use Jamaican Black Castor Oil, which I actually put on my edges. I've wore weaves and all type of stuff over top my locks, so over time I have pulled my hair out, let's be honest, but we're taking the time to nurse our hair back to health. So I use Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I also use avocado oil, which I put on my scalp. Sorry guys, but that works really well for my hair too. And now I'm just going to kind of get into how I retwist my hair is in this main video. So I chose to use a back one. I don't know why, but this is my first hair video. Work with me guys. But here I just retwist my hair down and take the edges, like the outside hair, and wrap it around my lock. Then I'm going to take a pipe cleaner. I'm just going to roll it on up. And then I'll show you more in the front of my video, so that way you can have a closer look to see actually how I put the pipe cleaners in, and I'll show you how I curl them. Here I just use mousse. I found out when I use mousse it actually makes it last longer for me because my hair is longer. My curls normally drop pretty fast. It could just be an issue that I have that doesn't happen to most people. But some people don't like to use mousse because it has alcohol in it. So I know Taliah Waajid actually has a curling foam that you can use for your locks. But today I just chose to use the mousse. So we're just going to go ahead and show you how I retwist the front and curl it, and enjoy the rest of the video. Hey guys, I'm just going to slow the video down a little bit because I realized I wasn't showing you the end of my hair. So I take the pipe cleaner and I bend it up. Oh, meet my boyfriend. Hey guys. But I take my lock and I put it on the bottom of the pipe cleaner, and then I bend the pipe cleaner up to secure the bottom of my lock so that way it doesn't slide off, and then I roll my lock really tight till I get to the base of my scalp, and then I fold the pipe cleaner back down. Another tip I did want to add is that well, if you guys would like to see, I can show you how I put my pipe cleaners together to make sure that the middle steel piece that makes the pipe cleaner firm does not stick into my scalp, because I make sure that when the soft part that I bend of the pipe cleaner is towards my scalp and the sharp edge is towards the bottom. So I do want to make that very clear or your head will hurt. So I just wanted to add that quick tip and just wanted to make sure that you do understand how to secure the bottom of your lock. Once again, you curl it at the bottom, you're going to bend it up, and then you're going to keep rolling really, really tight until you get to the base of your scalp. So if you guys have any other questions or you felt like I missed anything, just comment below and just let me know what you would like to know more of. This side got wet a little bit, so I've been trying to like make it work. But that's why you don't get in the shower and then take your curls out. But I kept these pipe cleaners and I did my hair Monday, it was Saturday, and now it's time to come out. So, excuse my bathroom. But that's how I can do it slower. Let me see. Have it bent at the top. I just unbend it, and then I just unravel it. This is the longer way. You just keep unraveling it until it comes out. Sometimes this makes the curl looser, but sometimes I just take it and I unravel it a little bit and then I just pull it out. Like I'll unravel it just so it's not tight, and then I'll take it and I'll pull it out like that, and it does the same thing. These little loose ones are driving me crazy because I don't like it, but I'll have to do it for now. And then one's really bad. So I just kind of like lock, go like this, and I wrap it around my lock, so even cause it's wet, and then I just kind of stick it back up, and I put it through the loophole, and then I just put it back there somewhere. It'll fall down. Oh look, I found another. This side is the side that didn't get wet. This is my finished look. And if you want to see more videos and tutorials, just let me know. Please subscribe below. I am happy to be doing this video for you. I love my curls even though this side got wet. But thank you. Thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe below. Please like and please share.